Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are enjoying the best of your health. Dear students, in the last lesson, you were assigned the work to write the meanings and make sentences of given words. Dear students, now this is time to give you feedback regarding these two activities. The students, this is lesson number 6, pollution, word meanings. The first word is outcomes. This is the meaning of this word is, here the meanings of this word is issues. Pollution, dirt. Constituents, elements. Sources, means. Environment, surroundings. And these were the sentences. The first word was outcomes. The outcomes of pollution are the destruction of the earth. Second sentence, environment. We should save our environment from pollution. Next, constituents. Hydrogen and oxygen are the constituents of water. Next, sources. Teachers are the best sources to get knowledge. The last one, pollution. We must work for a pollution-free world. Dear students, this is the homework for today. You will answer the following 7 questions. Which kind of pollution is widely spread and the most dangerous? Second, what are the bad effects of air pollution? Third question, how can air pollution be controlled? Question number 4, what is the cause of water pollution? 5 number question, what is noise? How is it harmful for us? Question number 6, how does cutting of trees add to environmental pollution? Question number 7, are elders enjoyed a healthy life as compared to us? How? So students, these 7 comprehension questions will be answered by you and the feedback will be given tomorrow inshallah. Okay students, now this is time to say you Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.